It's Thursday, July 18th, 2024, and I'm Dave Sobel. 3 things to know today. The AI landscape with updates from Mistral, OpenAI, Microsoft, and AWS, who are driving innovations with new specialized models. Microsoft introduces the Checkpoint Cumulative updates for faster, smaller Windows 11 updates, and managed service as software, leveraging AI for scalable, high-margin service delivery. This is the business of tech. Well, the models keep coming. French AI startup Mistral has launched 2 new large language models based on the Mamba architecture, CodeStrollMamba and MathStroll. CodeStrollMamba offers faster code generation with longer input texts, while MathStroll is designed for math-related reasoning and scientific discovery. Mistral's models outperformed rival open-source models in benchmarking tests and can be accessed through Mistral's La Forte or Hugging Face. OpenAI has announced the release of GPT-4.0 Mini, a smaller and more cost-efficient version of its AI model. Priced at 15 cents per 1 million tokens for input and 60 cents for output, GPT-4.0 Mini aims to reduce costs for developers using OpenAI's APIs. The model outperforms GPT 3.5 Turbo on various benchmarks and can handle text and vision inputs. It's also expected to be available on Apple devices through Apple Intelligence. While GPT-4.0 Mini replaces GPT 3.5 Turbo in ChatGPT, the older model will still be supported to avoid breaking existing applications. And moving beyond models, Microsoft has introduced a new AI system called Spreadsheet LLM, designed to understand and work with spreadsheets. The system combines large language models with structured data found in spreadsheets, enabling AI to reason over spreadsheet contents. This opens up possibilities for automating data analysis tasks, providing intelligent insights, and democratizing access to data insights. AWS has introduced AWS AppStudio, a generative AI-powered service that allows users to create enterprise-grade applications in minutes without requiring software development skills. The service uses natural language to understand app descriptions and provide template prompts to refine ideas. Additionally, AWS has enhanced its agents for Amazon Bedrock, enabling them to remember previous interactions and run code snippets. Why do we care? I'm intrigued by more specialized models. Solution providers are all about matching technology to problem, and it's worth knowing the variety of models out there. One can see a future of a single general AI assistant that leverages specialized models when needed. Today's episode is supported by CoreView. Your customers need your Microsoft 365 expertise, and CoreView has the only M365 management platform designed for MSPs. Manage hundreds of tenants, automate manual tasks, and monitor compliance, all while intelligently comparing to the baseline. With a no-code control approach, CoreView revolutionizes your Microsoft 365 administration. This powerful platform enables automatic reporting and remediation, ensuring optimal performance and security. The best part? You achieve this high level of service without the need for a large workforce, allowing you to focus on growing your business through efficiency. Want to know more? Visit coreview.com/MSP and find out more. Microsoft is introducing Checkpoint Cumulative updates to deliver Windows updates in a smaller, faster, and more sustainable way. Instead of a single update file that grows larger monthly, Microsoft will release periodic cumulative updates as checkpoints, followed by smaller update package files containing incremental binary differentials. This new format will be available with Windows 11 version 24H2 and is expected to reduce the size of monthly updates by 80% or more. The new update packages are currently available to only beta testers, and the change is not expected to affect Windows 10 users. Microsoft resolved a bug caused by a recent update that impacted Windows Update automation scripts on Windows 11 systems in enterprise environments. The issue had been resolved through Known Issue Rollback, or KIR, and a future update will include the fix. Admins can expedite the process by restarting affected devices or installing and setting up the KIR group policy. Microsoft's support website provides detailed information on deploying and configuration the KIR group policies. Why do we care? Another shift in how Windows updates are done. Certainly, bandwidth savings, making them less energy dependent as well. There is new setup and new policies. Organizations will need to update their Windows Update policies and possibly their scripts to align with the new update format, ensuring they take full advantage of the efficiencies offered. This aligns with the overall trend to be more agile with deployments. So, heads up on the change. Time for some Friday big ideas. Yes, it's on a Thursday, and I'll explain why in the show close. Information Week with what can you learn from a failed IT project? When an IT project fails, it's important for IT leaders to view failure as a learning opportunity and to communicate and align with stakeholders. Understanding the reasons for failure can help identify areas for improvement and prevent similar mistakes in the future. IT leaders should create an environment that supports reflection, feedback, and necessary changes. It's crucial to be aligned with business strategy, have a solid change management plan, and adjust project management styles. Failure should be seen as an opportunity to learn, optimize processes, and drive innovation. Recognizing failures early allows for necessary adjustments and developing a continuous improvement culture. I spotted a Substack with the title, The Managed Service as Software Startup. The article introduces the concept of managed service as software in startups, where AI-powered services businesses can achieve high gross margins by using AI themselves instead of selling AI to customers. The article discusses transitioning from labor-intensive service delivery to technology-enhanced services with SaaS-like margins. It highlights the importance of automation and AI tooling in driving efficiency and scalability. The author suggests that startups can start with a labor-first approach, gradually reducing reliance on labor and increasing GPU utilization to improve margins and service delivery. Which leads me to, have we seen the end of the true MSP in IT Pro? The article discusses the transformation and growth of the managed services model over the past 3 decades. It explores the expanding range of IT solutions managed services providers offer and the strategic aspects of being a true MSP partner. The article also highlights the need for MSPs to continually innovate and adapt to meet customer expectations, navigate technological changes, and capitalize on growth opportunities. To thrive in an increasingly competitive market, MSPs should focus on talent acquisition, workforce skills development, automation, regulatory compliance, and providing expertise to help customers achieve their digital ambitions. And finally, from State Scoop, AI is beyond government control. State governments are enacting laws and policies to reduce the potential harms of generative artificial intelligence, but the rapidly evolving technology is proving to be beyond their control. Concerns about AI's ability to amplify biases, spread misinformation, and disrupt work and personal life are validated by its presence in social media, software, and the physical world. Government officials acknowledge their dependence on vendors and the challenge of making ethical decisions regarding AI. States proactively govern AI with numerous bills, committees, and task force, but the absence of comprehensive federal AI legislation leaves room for missed opportunities. The use of AI in government projects raises ethical considerations, and the challenge of cleaning and preparing data for AI models persists. Despite efforts by technology companies to address ethical concerns, the future of AI technologies remains beyond government control. Why do we care? Well, some points to make quickly. Managed service as software could be interpreted as automation to its natural conclusion. It's certainly something to consider, very much linked to the continuing evolution of IT services. I spent some time on the Wednesday live show talking about this same evolution, with providers leaning into advanced skills and expertise. Which is why I found the 2 other articles useful. First, to learn from mistakes, and second, to identify where the services needs for private companies are versus what will be defined by regulation. I hope I give you lots to ponder. Struggling with data sprawl? Skykick is here to help. Managing and securing data across multiple platforms can be a challenge, but you don't have to face it alone. Skykick emphasizes that shared responsibility with your customers ensures Microsoft 365 data remains safe and secure. Here are 3 quick tips to help get you started. First, educate your customers on effective data management practices. Second, raise employee awareness to prevent breaches. And third, guide customers on future tech investments to minimize risks. By emphasizing these principles and leveraging a comprehensive solution like Skykick Cloud Backup, you can effectively confront data sprawl and protect your customers' data across modern workloads like Planner and Teams. Don't let data sprawl hold you back. Trust Skykick to keep your data secure and manageable. Visit skykick.com/MSP Radio to learn more. Thanks for listening. Today is World Listening Day, and it's also National Dapper Your Data Day, so get to cleaning up your data. No podcast for tomorrow, as I'll be attending the funeral for Frank Hazelton. His favorite saying was, "I'm vertical, happy, well-fed, and still in love. Every day is a gift." May we all make it to 101 like Frank. On Saturday, you'll get the live episode from Wednesday as I dive into what I would do if I was launching an MSP today. And on Sunday, my interview with Tyler Hochman, whose technology predicts which employees will be leaving your organization before they know themselves. If you got a comment or a thought on a story, put it in the comments if you're on YouTube, or reach out to LinkedIn if you're listening to the podcast. Most importantly, if you like the show, please share it with a colleague and help me grow the audience. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you again on Monday. The Business of Tech is written and produced by me, Dave Sobel, under ethics guidelines posted at businessof.tech. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, follow, or subscribe. It's free and easy and the best way to support the show and help us grow. You can also check out our Patreon, where you can join the Business of Tech community at patreon.com/MSP Radio. Or buy our Why Do We Care merch at businessof.tech. Finally, if you're interested in advertising on the show, visit mspradio.com/engage. Once again, thanks for listening to me, and I will talk to you again on our next episode of The Business of Tech.
Part of the MSP Radio Network.